Hey everyone, Thomas here from MGMClassicCars.com, and today I have the pleasure of going over this beautiful, gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Beautiful stance. The car's been lowered. Beautiful Viking blue paint all around. It's not a perfect paint job, but it's a nice paint job. And I will go over a couple of the things and the things that we're going to do to it. As you can see, the rear chrome bumper and the front chrome bumper are original to the car. Does that matter much? I don't think so. But nice wheels with the four-wheel power Willwood disc brakes. It's got the Boss 338 wheels. Nice stance on this baby. Very nice stance. Wheel opening moldings are in good condition. Front grille, all the lights function. And I want to go over the punch list with you guys because I do nitpick my own vehicles. So what I'll do first is I'll show you guys the interior. Let's do that. Nice dash pad, nice door panels, nice front bucket seat. It is a split bench, and I'll show that, demonstrate to you. Hey everyone, thank you for joining me here today at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, where I have the pleasure today of going over this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Nice paint throughout the vehicle, nice interior. The car has been lowered on all four corners, upgraded with the Willwood power disc brakes, beautiful Boss 338 rims, front and back. Just check out the reflection on the paints. Viking blue is the color of the paint. Bumpers on the car, the chrome, look to be original. Emblems look good. Stainless steel trim around the windows look good. We're gonna wet sand and buff this car out just to get some of this stuff out of the paint. If you see that the car sat outside for a month, and we're gonna get that all cut and buffed out. It's gonna have a mirror finish when my guy Antonio's done with the car. Nice door handles. Like I said, vertical trim is nice. Trim around all the windows, the hood and the front there. Front window is good. You know, it is a nice paint job. I'm gonna rate this paint job a 7.5 out of a 10. When Antonio gets done wet sanding and polishing this car, it's gonna be in the 8s. And that's what these driver quality cars are rated. I mean, if you want a number 10 paint job, you're gonna pay $70,000, okay? Because I have those as well, okay? But again, let's get back to the Chevelle. So you've seen everything here: front, back, chrome grille, chrome bumpers, the grille, the bezels. Let's check out the inside of the car. It is a bench factory seat, dark blue interior. Door panels look good. Door jambs look good. Weather stripping looks good. Door sill plates look great. And they did this back in the 70s because this car has been Z-barred to protect the car. Again, if you look at it, this car hasn't been detailed yet, but I wanted to at least get this car out and show you guys what we have for sale. Nice dash pad in the car. Looks all original. I don't see any cracks in it. Okay. Triple gauge package. Stereo with the cassette player, controls for your heat defrost, and right now the car is showing $27,596. I'm gonna say this car has $127,596, even though the carpet looks really good on the car. Again, please keep in mind the car has not been professionally detailed by us yet, and will be. Nice headliner, very nice there with the dome light functioning. It's got a great reflection in the paint. Door gaps are nice on the car too. Let's check out the engine compartment. Here's how you open up the hood. It's right down in here, okay? And you pull it. Pull it out all the way, and the hood pops out right. 383 stroker motor, Edelbrock intake, headers, power steering, power brakes, steel braided hoses, radiators all set up with no overheating issues. Let's check out something in the back here. Here's where you put the fuel. If you guys didn't know, right down through here. All right, and your license plate goes right over that. A lot of parts in the car are original as well. Let's check out the trunk. So, very solid trunk, okay? Very solid. All the weather stripping is nice in the trunk area here. Your battery's back here. Don't ask me why. So here are the factory GM stampings for this quarter. That tells you that this is an original quarter. And when I look on the inside parts, there's no seams, so that is an original quarter. The driver's side, same thing with the numbers encrypted there, and everything in here looks original to the car, okay? So, very important, the foundation, all right? The foundation of this car is solid, all right? Dual exhaust is newer, 12-bolt posi rear end, all right? There's your lights. Oh, I disconnected the battery. Hold on.